Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how I built this DIY electronic lock system using an Arduino, a servo motor, and a simple keypad. It's a super affordable and effective way to automate doctor locking. Let's check it out. Here's the full setup. We have Arduino Uno, the brain of this project. Micro servo motor SG90 moves the lock mechanism. Binding wire hook connected to the servo, it slides the bolt lock. Power source, using a power bank for portability. Want the code? Just pause the video at the code section to copy it. The code is simple. It checks the input from the 4x4 keypad. If the correct password is entered, the servo motor moves to unlock the door. Press it again and it locks back. The movement angle is set so that the binding wire smoothly slides the bolt. Let's test it. I'll enter the password and bolt unlocks. Now let's enter the password again. And the lock closes. If you're facing any issues, here are some quick tips. Check that the power bank provides enough current for the servo motor. Ensure the binding wire hook moves smoothly without resistance. Double check the wiring and connections if the servo doesn't respond. And that's it. A fully functional Arduino powered smart lock using a servo motor. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more cool DIY projects. See you in the next one.